Hi friends, what's this entry box? This entry box, whenever I am entering any text here, so I am writing some text and it is masked, so I am unable to see, so it is the best way to enter the passwords. Now how this is done? By using this show option. You can see here show is star, so that is why the option is coming as stars and it is masked, and so text is not visible. Suppose I want to see the whatever text I enter, I can just click this checkbox, and if I uncheck it, again it is masked. So this is done by using this show option, and again I am configuring it to changing it based on the click of this check button. We'll see how we are done this. Here is our template, or we have just inside this window we have just placed a label here which shows the password, and it is at the row 1 column 1, and one string variable you have declared, though we have not used it, declared because it is connected to our entry wizard. So here is our entry wizard, in which entry in this you can see that this show is this option we have used to mask all the user entries, and this text variable is connected to e1str, which is a string variable again. So this is in particular here in this we'll add our check button to show the password. So for that purpose let's see how this one looks. So here it is. Now you can see here it has come. Now if I'll enter anything, now these are masked because the option show is I have shown it as star. Now let's close this and add one check button to this. Now on that click of that or changing the value of the check button will show or hide the passwords, characters of the password. So let me just first start with C or C1, I will say it's a checkbox 1. Now this equal to tk dot check button. Now this check button I am placing it in the parent window. My w I have declared it at line number 3 here. So sometime someone many writes it as root also. I have used this one. Now in that some text will also enter, so to guiding the what this check button is supposed to do. So I will say show password. Now this show password will the text only. Now what happened, this variable I will use, but I have not declared anything. Now let me just say C checkbox B1. This is the name I have given but I have not declared it. Let me first declare it here. This I will say C underscore V1 equal to, it's a int variable for me, int bar, and value, let me say the value equal to 0. I can any string variable or integer variable while declaring itself I can set the value. Based on that the checkbox also will take the checked or not checked. So here I will say two things. Now let me, I am just come to the next line. I am saying on value equal to 1, then another is of value equal to 0. So and I will take a command. What happens to this command? Command equal to my show. This my show is a function, I have to declare it. I have not so far not started. So this is what it is. Variable is C1 V1, on value 1, off value is 0, command is my show. So let's now program the my show. Okay, before that let's place the grid, use the grid to place it, C1 dot grid. I am just placing it. Next line I have to place, so row 2, so row 1 I have left it for the that label and the password entry. So then column equal to 1. So this now my checkbox is placed. Now let's write what happens when this checkbox anything checked or unchecked, this function will be triggered. So that function I will that function code I will write, and inside that function I will be changing, configuring the entry box so the password will be visible. Now let me define it. Define my show. I am going to the next if C1 CV1 is what? That is a variable, integer variable declared at line number 13 here, connected to the checkbox. So this suppose the checkbox is checked, then this C underscore V1 value will be equal to 1. Otherwise if it is unchecked then it will be 0. So I am just telling C1 V1 dot get, this will be the value I am getting, equal to 1 means it is checked. then equal to 1, C1 V1 get equal to 1. So what will happen at that time? Now E1 is what? E1 is our entry box, is entry box here at line number 11. E1, now I am using config. Config means I am configuring any option value, I can change it using config. So equal to blank means don't hide it, don't mask it. So without showing the star, show the characters directly. Else, so next is else. If it is not, that means other value will be 0. We have just used else. In that case, E1 dot config, again config will change the option value and to say so. Which option I am using? The so option equal to, now let's say put it as star. So that's all. Now this will, you can just see once I am clicking the check button, this particular command my show will trigger this function, and inside that I will monitor what's the value of C1 V1, the int variable. It is 0 or 1. If it is clicked, then the value will be 1. That means the user wants to show the password. So is blank. So the password will be visible. You can write it here also, visible. So password is masked or hidden. Password is, so this is how you can differentiate in these two cases. Now let's just saved it. Let's run it and see how it works. So here it is. Fine. Now I am entering my password. Fine. Now let me just click this show password. Okay, uncheck it. Again hidden. If you want, you can change this to, again I can use a hash also. Then in that case, to match it while opening also, let me put a hash here. So saved it. Whatever mask I have used, that same will appear. So again, so this will be welcome. Sorry. So anything you type here, now it will be, I can hide it or I can show it. So that's all. That is how we have, this is one of the application in our tutorial on the entry one. We have explained that this is one of the one of the exercise actually, and this is the solution how you will use it. You can download it, or if you have any doubts or any suggestion or any query or any feedback, use the comment section below and post it. We'll try to update it, the script again. And I'll request you, please subscribe to our channel. We are adding frequently different tutorials. So press the bell icon so you will be notified. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.